this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Endacopia game on your mobile device. To download the Endacopia horror adventure game, you need to go ahead and open up an APK website and download the APK file to get the application installed on your mobile device. To do so, go and open up a web browser installed on your mobile device. I'm going to open up Chrome. You can open up any other web browser of your choice. Now, in the search box, search for download Endacopia Android and search. You'll be able to see several search results from where you can easily download the application. In today's video, let's go ahead and click on this APK Pure website at the top of the screen. Now, scroll down from the next page and tap on the Download APK button. On the next page, you may have to tap on the download button one more time. Now, you'll be able to see a pop-up. Tap on the Download Anyway button and wait for the file to download. You can also view the details. And then, once the file has been downloaded, give it a tap and tap the Install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application is installed. Once you are done, tap on Open and you'll be able to download the Endacopia horror adventure game on your mobile device. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.